Hey everyone, this is David B. In this video, I want to show you how to use the Translate feature of HelloTalk to send messages in foreign languages. Here, I have a message written in English that I want to translate to Spanish and send to my language partner. Just to the right of the message, we see an icon that I call the magic wand. If we tap that, some options pop up. Let's click Translate. Here we see the message in both English and Spanish. But if we look at the top right, we see a Send button. Let's click that. If we hit Send, the message goes to our partner with both the original English and the Spanish translation. Let's try again. We go back into Translate. This time, let's look at the bottom right. So on the Spanish message, if we click that arrow, it will send the message in just Spanish. So those are your two options for translating messages and sending them to your language partner. This is David B. Thanks for watching.